Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's called Athlex and it's from Caseology. So let's see how it looks like. They give you some cleaning wipes and a cleaning cloth. That is nice. I really like this yellow kind of design inside. You know, they actually make the inside look quite nice. And that's also obviously is for protection, to absorb when you drop it, you know, the impact. So it says Athlex series for Samsung, and volume rocker, power button covered, all the cutouts nicely done, and then Caseology on the side. And then the back is something I really like because it doesn't take fingerprints and it feels nice to the touch. It's definitely has a really good grip, so it will be quite hard to drop it by accident. And then also this is raised, so you protect your camera lenses. So yeah, let's see how it fits. Very easy to install as well because it's flexible. It's a real pleasure to use. And also it's very easy to remove. Boom. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.